Hey guys, welcome back to 9180. I'm here at the Carriage house, and you might recall just a couple years ago we spent a lot of money replacing the entire HVAC system on both sides of the house. As it turns out, this unit is actually oversized for our side of the house. This is a 510. We really need a 410, which has made it extremely inefficient. Our home is always humid. So we're actually going to be spending a lot more money replacing it again with a 410, but also we're replacing the furnace with a high efficiency furnace as well. And that should lower our costs in the winter, as well as obviously we should see lower costs of energy in the summer. And hopefully we'll be able to resell these practically new units for something. I don't know where or how we'll sell it, but if you know anyone,